welcome guys to another episode of Zephyr Tech. Today I'll be reviewing the Sony Xperia XA2. Look at that beautiful intro. It has a thick chin, as you can see, a thick forehead or notch. It's a very thick phone. Very thick phone. With volume buttons at the top, power button in the center, and camera button at the bottom. When we flip this device, there's a USB-C port at the bottom and a sound bar and a microphone to the left. When we go to the left, so that's a SIM tray, nano SIM tray. It's only single SIM with a nano SIM. On the back, there's a flash, a fingerprint reader right here, a 28 megapixel camera, and a flash. And at the front, there's a At the front, there's an 8 megapixel camera, and it's 120 degrees, super wide angle. And in low light photo, it's up to ISO of 3200, and that's steady shot. The main camera is 23 megapixels actually, and it has hybrid autofocus, quick launch and capture. Low light photo is ISO 12800 and 84 degree wide angle f2.0 lens, and 5 times clear image zoom, and steady shot, and it records in 4K, and it has a 120 frames per second slow motion video recording. Second of all, the display. The first thing you see on the phone is 5.2 inches, Full HD 1080p, and it has image enhanced technology. The colors that it comes in is silver, which is this color. Beautiful color, by the way. Black, blue, and pink. And it weighs 6 ounces. And the durability. It's Corning Gorilla Glass, so it was very durable for its time that it came in. The battery is a huge 3,300 milliamp hours with a Novo adaptive charging and battery care and smart stamina and stamina mode and quick charging with a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. And the CPU is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 mobile platform, and that was a big deal like 1 year ago. And the operating system is Android 8.0 Oreo. It has 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of internal memory, and micro SDXC support up to 256 gigabytes. And it has a fingerprint reader. I think I said right here. Yeah, fingerprint reader right there. And there's an Xperia lounge that's already here. Welcome to Xperia Lounge. Please wait while the experiences are loading. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Okay. Yeah, there's music, album, video, movie creator, AR effect where you can create augmented realities, and there's the key accessories are a mono Bluetooth headset and a quick charger and a style cover stand. And by the way, didn't I tell you how nice this phone feels? Man, this phone feels beautiful. It feels premium. It's metallic, yet it's so not expensive. With that Xperia on the back. It looks like you're stepping into the future, into another realm. And I bet you want to hear the audio on this. So let's find something worthy of this video. Yes, let's find something worthy. We are almost there. But in the midst of that, there's a Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology. It works with Google Cast, NFC, and this USB Type-C. Wi-Fi Miracast. Let's listen to Alan Walker. Okay, so to the consumers, your average consumer's ear, you might not be able to tell, but it's a little tinny, has a little distortion, but it's all right. Most people won't be able to tell, so it's worth it, I guess. Yeah, and that was Alan Walker. Okay, this is how you take a photo. The pro style. Yeah. See this button right here? It's ergonomic. Just use it. So many things. You can do a picture 4:3 or 16:9, depending on your styles. You can do a timer. You can have lights. You can even turn the camera. Of course, you can turn the camera. On video, you can have high dynamic range, and also some lights, yes, and creative mode, where you get to paint on your video for some reason. Well, that was a good review. If I do say so myself. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks. I'll see you. Bye.